as members of the Faculty of Agriculture in Annamalai University have triple mandate. We need to teach, we need to research, and we need to extend whatever we research and find out from the lab to the land or farm to the folk. We are lying in the coastal tract of Tamil Nadu, and we are in the midst of 4 districts which are identified as to have been disadvantaged by the Planning Commission of India. Earlier, the traditional farming system was to grow rice followed by a pulse, and they were having 2 to 3 crops of rice with the river water supporting pre-monsoon and post-monsoon crops. And now, with the dispute with the adjoining state, namely Karnataka, in sharing the river water, both the pre-monsoon and post-monsoon crops have gone off, and the farmers are left over with the choice of only 1 crop of rice during the monsoon season. This is a BIRAC-funded research project on integrating poultry birds, fish culture and rice together. What we have done is an innovation in the sense the poultry dropping straight away comes to the field, because the whole cage is made up of wooden frames and wire mesh. The poultry dropping gets dissolved in water, serves as a manure for the crop and a feed source for the fish. The fishes swim into the rice field, feeds on pests and weeds. So there is a perfect integration of rice, fish and poultry. The Asian population, mainly the farmers, as per the World Health Organization and Food and Agriculture Organization report, are undernourished with animal protein. By projects which we have done with the National Agricultural Innovation Project of World Bank, we have shown that this technology improves the livelihood standards of rural poor farmers.
Since the Annamalai University is located mainly in an agriculture, coastal agriculture area, lot of research is focused on agriculture and also integrating the agriculture with other farm related activities like the fish rearing, animal production, poultry, etc. And by integrating the other activities with the farming, the income of the farmers can be increased. The present project, BIRAC project, Professor Kathiresan has involved many faculties like a sociologist to study the social impact of this integrated farming system and the economy and social life of the farmers. He has also integrated the community medicine people from the medicine faculty to study the nutritional impact on the population.
இந்த ஒவ்வொரு வருஷத்துக்கும் இந்த ப்ராஜெக்டை பற்றி அண்ணாமலை யூனிவர்சிட்டியில் பல்கலைக்கழகத்துலேருந்து எங்களுக்கு கொடுக்குறாங்க விவசாயிக்காக. ஒவ்வொரு வாட்டியும் வந்து ஒரு வருஷத்துக்கு 3 வாட்டி கொடுப்பாங்க எங்களுக்கு. நெல், மீன், கோழி ஒவ்வொரு சீசனுக்கு ஒரு வருஷத்துக்கு 3 வாட்டி கொடுப்பாங்க. ஒரு சீசனுக்கு 3 வாட்டி கொடுப்பாங்க. அந்த ஒரு வாட்டிக்கும் ஒவ்வொரு வாட்டிக்கும் 2,000 எங்களுக்கு அந்த இது போக நாங்களுக்கு எங்களுக்கு லாபம் நிற்கிது. அதெல்லாம் ஒரு பக்கத்தில் மீன் ஒரு 2,000 ரூபாய்க்கு இந்த மீன் விற்போம், 2,000 ரூபாய்க்கு மீன் விற்போம்.
நல்ல மாதிரியாகவும் எங்களுக்கு இந்த கோழி இந்த மீனெல்லாம் வந்தனாலே நாங்கள் கொஞ்சம் நல்ல மாதிரியாகவும் இருக்கிறோம். எங்களுக்கு இப்போ எந்த கஷ்டமும் இல்லை. ரொம்ப கஷ்டப்பட்டுருக்காங்க. இப்போ நல்லா நிம்மதியாக இருக்கிறோங்க. இப்போ ஏடிஎம் மாரி எங்களுக்கு இந்த நேரம் காசு எடுத்து எங்களுக்கு கையில் காசு எந்த நேரமும் தேவைப்படுதுங்க நல்லா.
Our intention and our objective is to showcase that this technology also goes a long way in improving the nutritional status of resource-poor rural farmers, and we would like to go further for upscaling this project on a transition to scale.